In a serene village nestled amidst lush green hills, there lived a young man named Sam. Sam was troubled by a habit that seemed to consume his every waking moment. It was a habit that he knew was harmful, yet he found himself unable to break free from its grasp. One day, as Sam was walking through the village, he came across a wise old man sitting under a Bodhi tree. The old man had a peaceful aura about him, and Sam felt drawn to him. "Excuse me, sir," Sam said timidly. "I am troubled by a habit that I cannot seem to break. Can you help me?" The old man looked at Sam with kind eyes and nodded. "Of course, my child. Sit down beside me, and I will share with you the path to liberation." Sam sat down eagerly, ready to listen to the old man's wisdom. "First, you must understand that the habit you speak of is like a thorn that has pierced your flesh," the old man began. "It causes you pain and suffering, yet you continue to hold onto it out of habit. But just as you can remove a thorn from your flesh, you can also free yourself from this habit." Sam listened intently, hanging on to every word the old man spoke. "The key to breaking free from this habit lies in understanding its root cause," the old man continued. "Ask yourself why you feel the need to engage in this behavior. Is it out of boredom, loneliness, stress? Understanding the underlying emotions that drive this habit is the first step towards overcoming it." Sam nodded, realizing that he had never stopped to consider why he engaged in the habit in the first place. "Next, you must cultivate mindfulness," the old man said. "Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, without judgment or attachment. When you feel the urge to engage in the habit, take a moment to pause and observe your thoughts and feelings. By bringing awareness to your actions, you can begin to break free from the cycle of habit." Sam closed his eyes and took a deep breath, attempting to bring his awareness to the present moment. He felt a sense of peace wash over him, as if a weight had been lifted from his shoulders. "Finally, you must cultivate compassion," the old man said. "Compassion towards yourself and towards others. Understand that you are only human, and that it is natural to struggle with habits and desires. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, and forgive yourself for any past mistakes. By cultivating compassion, you can begin to heal the wounds that drive this habit." As Sam listened to the old man's words, he felt a sense of hope begin to blossom within him. He realized that breaking free from this habit would not be easy, but with patience, mindfulness, and compassion, it was possible. "Thank you, sir," Sam said gratefully. "Your words have given me hope and inspiration. I will follow the path you have shown me, and I will break free from this habit." The old man smiled warmly at Sam. "Remember, my child, the journey to liberation is not always easy, but it is worth it. May you find peace and happiness on your path." With a renewed sense of determination, Sam bid farewell to the old man and set off on his journey towards freedom. And as he walked through the village, he felt a sense of lightness and joy fill his heart, knowing that he was no longer bound by the chains of his habit. For he had found the path to liberation, and he would walk it with courage and grace.